Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton. This morning we're going to take a quick look at our Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. First we're going to talk about the cockpit layout of the boat. The boat is equipped with a nice wide transom bench seat, great back support, nice pitch to it, and a nice wide seat base. So it's a very comfortable seat to sit in, and that tucks away very nicely to open up your cockpit space for fishability. They do have a fish box port and starboard side. One of the really nice features about the 32 Vantage is the versatility of this port side seat. This drops down in two different positions to give you a very long lounger. You can raise the back support there, or again drop that back down and give you an aft facing lounger this way. Very versatile seat, storage underneath. This boat is equipped with the dive door. Also has the light blue hull sides. Boat is equipped with a nice big hardtop, electric sunshade, and powder coated stanchions for support. Making our way forward, boat is equipped with the summer kitchen, which gives you the stainless steel refrigerator, electric grill. Boat is equipped with an inverter, live well, and freshwater sink. As we continue forward, you have a nice companion seat on the port side. This is electric high-low seat, double wide flip-up bolsters and armrests, and it also will rotate forward to give you forward-facing seating. Just forward of that, it's going to be your berth option. That does convert down to give you a sleeper. And then at the helm, single helm chair. The boat is equipped with joystick piloting. We've optioned this boat out with the twin 350 Mercury Verados with the optional white paint. Back at the helm we have the Raymarine Axiom 16-inch Pro, your vessel view, Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF radio, active trim, and again your joystick piloting, which is going to give you the skyhook feature. Boat is going to come equipped with a full enclosure for the hardtop, and you do have opening hatches overhead. Working our way up to the bow, you do have your head compartment opposite of the berth, keeps them separate, freshwater sink, and a vacuum flush head. Up in the bow of the boat you have two nice full-length loungers, port and starboard. This does come with the filler cushion option and a bow sunshade, so it gives you a great place to hang out and relax. Boat is equipped with the windlass anchor and the bow boarding ladder. We do have a freshwater sprayer up in the bow of the boat. That's a real quick look at our Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. If you'd like to come see this boat in person, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.